To my fellow Star Wars fans out there, did you want to go ahead and build your own replica of the Empire Strikes Back Millennium Falcon that is exact replica of the movie prop used in it? Well, the good folks over at Fanhome have created this monthly subscription to go ahead and create this authentic, real-life version of that exact replica. Not only that, it is functional in the sense that it has lights, movable parts, as well as a lot of bells and whistles that I've never thought they can actually fit in something like it. Now, this was sent over by Fanhome, so if you guys want to learn more about them, check out the link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is what it is. This here's the Fanhome box. So it comes in the mail just like this. They'll put this in front of your door and just go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Whoa. So if you're a fan of model kits, growing up as a child, this is exactly what it is, but you don't have to worry about painting it or essentially like using glue and kind of holding it together. In fact, it's actually pretty much well built together for you using die-cast materials from metal to ABS plastic that is actually colored and really detailed. Now, they come in these kind of packets. So these here are essentially like toy packets. They just go and open it up and just kind of go based off of it. And each issue will have its own packet assembled with it. So this one here actually includes two pieces. You do even get a screwdriver with it as well. Now, this being the welcome packet, it says here, build the Millennium Falcon. You can go ahead and see what else they have to offer. The fun thing about these magazines, besides obviously building, is that you get these little magazines regarding random small facts about the movie and how they kind of built it. And then the different facts of like, these are the laser cannons, how do they work, you know, stuff like that. So a lot of nice history. I mean, if you're like a Star Wars geek, this is definitely a cool thing to learn. Moving on, talks about your first parts, where they kind of fit, and then how they kind of come together. And here it is, step by step, how to go ahead and assemble the cockpit bulkhead. So show you how to go and do that. And then over here, kind of show you that we're assembling the laser cannon. And yeah, step by step, that's kind of what you have to follow. Now, we have ourselves two issues. So we have that one, and then we have ourselves issue number 2, which is this guy right over here. Again, corresponding with the specific kind. Again, talking about more about pilot's instructions, the legendary Millennium Falcon. You have Chewbacca there. And then just what's in the next parts and what is there to expect and how to go ahead and put together. Now, aside that, they do have like random like things as well, like gifts and whatnot. So they actually sent this one here. So this here is a model blueprint. Check it out. Oh my God, this is so cool. So it's essentially a model blueprint of what we're going to be making. And you can actually hang this on the wall and it looks really, really cool, especially as a display piece. And then over here kind of shows everything that's going to be happening and how it will kind of come through. And the one-on-one accurate replica of the actual construction details. So besides that, we have going to be our introduction guide. So this will kind of showcase the Millennium Falcon in terms of what this particular model is about. So one thing to note, it has working light effects. So it's got internal wiring, LEDs that be connected to an internal battery. Separate systems can turn on to illuminate the rear sub-light drives for floodlights and internal cockpit lighting. But yeah, it's got a lot of different things there. And then also has moving parts. So the exterior model includes numerous different fully articulated parts that can be moved in different positions. And then of course you have a lot of small attention to details, specifically the interior. So you can open these up and see different scenes that are actually really cool. And yeah, I mean, it says the main will hold its holographic DeAgostini game table with the engineering station and gun controls for the laser cannons. So again, a lot of cool small details that you don't really see, but obviously it's pretty darn awesome. We're going to take a look at our first one here. So this here is going to be assembling the cockpit bulkhead. So that is going to be this guy right over here. And then you can hear the quality of this particular plastic pieces. Like, look at the details on that. And then like you have metal. And that is exactly how all these pieces kind of sound or feel, just to kind of give you an idea. So this shows us how to go ahead and build a specific cockpit. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this piece here. Okay. Just like that. And then we're going to attach this specific piece right here. And then this piece will kind of go like that, just like that. So that's actually kind of cool that it says to go ahead and build it. kind of give you an idea about how it works. Yeah, I mean, it's actually pretty cool in how they do it. And then, of course, you do have these other pieces, like this here's like the table and whatnot. So overall, an absolute blast and a lot of fun, especially if you like building models. This is definitely something really cool to do. Now, with that said, if you guys have any questions about it, comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.